Hello, how may I help you? What would you two like today at Bailey's Diner? Well, I want one, here, can I have a few minutes to look at the, menu again? Sure. And you, sir? I'll like one. Sorry. Huh. I didn't know you had a burping problem. Sorry. Oh, I'll get a different waiter. Really? This walk is so peaceful. Sorry. Waiting in line, waiting in line, waiting in a line. Sorry, I just had to burp 3 times? Really? Ugh. I'm going in the different line. Me too. Darn it. So, what do you want to do? I don't have much. I don't know. You just moved. So, want to go to the pool? Sure. Let me go get my things packed. You can go too. Okay. I love relaxing at the beach. What about you? I'm in the pool. Yeah. I'm gonna go in the water. Really? Hey. I've had enough of your burping problem. If I hear one more burp out of you, I will kick you. You're just a woman. I may be a slow-looking turtle girl, but I took karate lessons. Oh no. Well, sorry. Yeah! Babe! Oh, not you again. Oh, hey! How may I help you? I would like one fajita. This is not a Mexican restaurant or anything. This is a diner, so get something off the menu. Okay. Why are you looking up there? I could just get you a menu. I want to look up here. I like it. Okay then. Anyways, I'm going to take other people's orders right now. Should I get the noodles or... Ew, that one stink. Man cave, man cave, man cave. Man cave, man cave. Man cave, man. Whoops. Man cave. So girl, then I was like, you're not gonna mess with me. Oh yeah. That was really funny when you did that. To Carly. Yeah. Oh, hey girls. How may I help you two today? Oh, well, we actually need a table for 3, but we can stick with a table for 2 right now. We don't actually want the person to come. Who is it? My husband. He burps a lot. Oh yeah, I hate him. He's like so annoying. Anyways, what could I get you to? Well, I would like some water to start out with, and I'll have some iced tea. Okay, I'll be right back with drinks. So then I was like, you better not do that, girl. She will hurt you. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Hey, wifey. Ooh, did you have some toothpaste this morning? Wait, he eats toothpaste? Yeah. Every week. The whole bottle. Anyways, yeah. Oh, did you eat a taco after that? Yeah. This is so romantic. I could just kiss you. Ew.